Hey guys, this is JNM with the first video of the Unity 3D Gamekit series in which I show how to get started with the asset. This is Unity 2018.2 and the first thing we do is to install the 3D Gamekit. In Unity, I open the Asset Store window, then type in the words Gamekit, and here you can find the Unity 3D and also the 2D Gamekit. I select the 3D Gamekit and I have the option to update because I already installed it. If you haven't installed it yet, there is a download button, but in any case it will take some time because the size of the asset is about 4 GB. After the download you can import the Gamekit, which will also take some time, so I will speed this up here. When this is finished, the import dialog appears and you can press the import button. Okay, once this is done you can browse to the sample scenes. There is level 1 and 2 here in the scenes folder. I select level 1 that you know from the introduction video. You can start this now and play the demo game. Alright, but in this video I will show you how to create your own level from scratch. The Gamekit simplifies this process. You just have to click the Create New Scene button in the Kit Tools menu, give your scene a name, and after that press the Create button. Now the scene is created, you can also see the Pro Builder window, but I will come back to this in one of the next parts, so I will close this. What you can see here in this level is a terrain part, a plane, and Alan, the player, is added to the scene as well. So the great thing is everything works out of the box. You can hit the play button now and walk around and jump with the player. You have a nice lighting and skybox setup. A system for the player's health is already initialized. That's a really comfortable way to get started. When you hit the escape key, the game is paused and you come to the options panel, which is also set up for you, with audio options and options for the controls. And you can also restart the current level or quit the game. Okay, but now let's extend this level. What you can do, for example, is to scale the terrain plane, and look at this, what happens to the material. The textures are tiled nicely as I scale the terrain up. And also the height of the terrain can be defined by scaling along the y-axis. There are a lot of prefabs available for designing your levels here in the Environments folder. For example, these rocks here that you can just drag into your scene. On the right side you can see a preview of the selected model. Now I'm going to select 2 of these rocks, some bigger ones, then I scale them a bit down and arrange them in the scene. And when I start the game now, you can see that this small addition already makes a big difference. Okay, this looks quite nice, but we will come to level design in the next part. The last thing that I want to show in this one is the interactable prefabs. In this folder called Interactables you can find things like a weapon pedestal or interactable boxes that you can smash with your weapon. I drag in a few of them just for demonstration. And you can see you can use them directly, no code or even configuration is required. Another great prefab is the pressure pad that you can use, for example, to open doors. But how to use these I will explain in detail in one of the next parts. Okay guys, that's it for getting started with the Gamekit. As I said, in the next part about level and game design, we will create our first simple game level. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you like this series and my channel, and if you do, then don't forget to subscribe. See you soon on JNM.